Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repost someone's story on Instagram. So without wasting time, you have to head over to your Instagram application right away. So come search for Instagram, then you open the application. So after opening the application, what you want to do is quite simple. You need to look for that specific story that you want to repost. So after that, what you're going to do is simple. For example, I say I want to repost the story of this football player over here. Okay, I'm taking an example. I want to repost this picture over here. So what I'll do is simple. Just come and I take a screenshot of this picture. So when I take a screenshot of this picture, I'll come to my story also. I'll come to my story there. Then when I come to my story, I just come to recent here in the gallery section. Then I'll come and select from the albums. So when I come in the albums, I just look for screenshots. Then I just click on that. And then when I click on that, I can decide to crop it, or I can decide to just post it how it is. So for my case, I'll just post it. As you can see, it's going to my story. And here they ask me who can view it. And you can even change the people you want to view your story. So you can click on close friends over there. And then your post will start going onto Instagram over there. As you can see, it's loading. And when it shows green, you're finished reposting that story on Instagram. So when you click over here, you see your story is there. Okay, and that's how simple it is, guys. All right, so thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video once again.